So recently on the fix, Naro and Ari and Spice have a conversation. We never go so well with Mr. Vegas. No, oh, yo, we can't start the program so emotional, Bridget. Mr. Vegas out for sewer manners. Yo, Naro, get your facts right, brother. When you get Vegas name feelings, people, big up on yourself. Smash the like, burn up the subscribe, and drop on a comment. Yo, right now, be a drama. So you mean to tell me say all this time, a billboard war when they run the corner, just ready for kick off. So yeah, hear me right now, Spice just kick it off and say, yo, who is Mr. Vegas? Not even knowing say, Mr. Vegas, I gonna take this thing very personal after all of the groundwork Mr. Vegas done put in through the whole of this time doing music, professionally in music. And I put in the work only for years say him never make the billboard and him not have too much accolades. So that one day, Mr. Vegas start vomit. No, words of Mr. Vegas. Say Spice not too smart and she had done said words of Mr. Vegas. No. You know, say when you see a man gone that far, Rasta, you know, say the man feelings hurt in a virgin. The man tell us, say, this virgin I take this billboard thing so far, that's me. I say, virgin, you not already get paid. Well, not in a Mr. Vegas case. Mr. Vegas, I say, put some respect on him name. You understand? No, Mr. Vegas actually bring him receipts as well. To prove, say, Spice, I look at hype off him name. Right? So, basically, Spice go as far as to expose him. Say, him don't have a hit song will make the Billboard charts, right? And him not have the amount of accolades what she received since she had the music. Now people want to drop it in the comment section, right? Whether you're a Spice fan, it's a Vegas fan, just music fan for the whole, drop it in the comment section now, right? Throughout these years, who been putting out the better songs? No, we are take it right this right now. So we don't want hear, see a female and charge it that over this. So brother, we don't want to hear that. We are talking about music. You see me? Yeah. Who drop the hot song them? Right? And who for song go first? Right? Cause Mr. Vegas bring some receipt and I show some charts all in the UK. Not just like oh some artists do it these days. Mr. Vegas expose the thing. You see what the cast now, brethren. Spice, mama, look what you cast. Now the youth them can't go buy no views. Cause Mr. Vegas say I expose everything. Mr. Vegas I say actually when film thing did go up on the charts, you used to have to sell real records them days them me I say no that a uppercut that's up. That's a uppercut punch that's up. Cause it's just hard to compare days of sales with streams when streams are fragile and them can't fake the streams. And think about it and me I say, well, makes sense. Makes sense. Cause when me really listen to the clip from the fix with Spice, me I say, it good for the entertainment, you know what I mean? keep the energy going. And then it make me think to myself, and I said, no man, from all this time for all of the work with Vegas do, there's no way none of them song them hit the chart. So me never to buy into that. Me never buy into that. But they want to see some proof. And Mr. Vegas forward with a whole shipment I received. Call out song by title. Man, I must tell you which parts, which studio them record them. That's how personal the virgin get to the music. You see me? The man I make you know say right now, if they fix, no fix it. Him a go sue somebody here, so. Just make sure say when them a sue, him not sue none of my listeners, them people right now big up on yourself, you know. So we still have to talk about Shenseea, you know, right? So far, them not give Shenseea a break. It seems to me like I don't know what Shenseea do to them, but seems to me, but what them have against Shenseea, it seems to me is Shenseea wake up and them just can't stand Shenseea. When Shenseea do good, them hate Shenseea. When Shenseea do bad, them burn her same way. So it just confusing me and the rest of the people them around the world who want to know when them are gonna really give Shenseea some love and accept. Say Shenseea nah leave. Just accept it. Them say no. Them refuse to let her in. Well, right now, Shenseea I do some big things, big up Shenseea. Ramesh Entertainment. You don't know the thing go. And people, it's just set away still for say she a forward from so far still, and enough people get through where them just allow them like act like them not say nothing, just allow people let them do them thing. But for some reason, no matter how good Shenseea music sound, them a beat her. If she do some music on the hip hop side, don't even bother talk about it. Right? So me ask myself, me I say me think that the music and it's supposed to be versatile and all of these things where them hypocritically speak about what them not really mean. Cause if you're gonna say if it be versatile and you're supposed to can do music, music can just do music, right? And when a person say they might go out of the genre or just pop whatever you want to consider it as trap, whatever, then beat them. They must make up their mind and stuff. So you know say Spice hot right now. A two man a beef with Spice right now, you know. We just the MC nothing. Say my expose Spice. And now Mr. Vegas. So here what my suggestion is right now. Spice run in a studio and drop a monster. You see it? People, you don't know say we are keep it entertainment around here, so. You see me? We can stay right there so for the entertainment side. We not promote no violence, we don't want to see no artists hurt each other. None of that. You understand? So make entertainment be wait for there. I know say, hey, big up on yourself, you know, right? And you want to know for the you see if you are new listeners, please may I ask you to subscribe and share the channel. You see me? Right now. Hey, what we not gonna do? We're not gonna make a whole of the channel them on YouTube. I turn up, hey, I wanna do road boy. Subscribe right now. and big up yourself. Roll up a spliff and drink a Guinness. I'm gonna look for shorty at that. Be at that, but round your bad, so Jamaica.